Right, we're heading out on the road again. Last day on the road. Scott, the amazing driver here. Boys next door. Jeffster. Alright. Alright, let's hit the road. We've got Brian May. No music on here because of copyright, so let's turn this off. Let's go.
Right, check out
time. Yeah, see you in the reception. Ooh, okay, cruising along now on the sat nav. Going to Williams, wherever that is. Various messages coming through. Got a Mustang behind. Biker boys have gone. And it's quite foresty here. Kiab National Forest. And you get quite foresty. We're in a forest. Okay, so where are we?
Williams.
We're in Williams, historic Williams. Just in okay, this guy's having breakfast. I just thought I'd show you the breakfast. This is an American breakfast. It's a bit weird. Let me just turn the other camera lens on. Okay, so we've got country breakfast. It's steak with a white sauce, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got
hash browns.
White sauce.
Eggs. What have you got? You've got full English. It's not called a full English, is it?
Breakfast.
American breakfast.
Yeah,
You've got round sausage.
That's sausage.
Jeff's is invisible. Come in, and what's yours, Mike?
Mine's ham steak.
Ham
which is
steak.
massive bits of bacon, basically.
And you've got what? You've got the
Traditional.
So obviously no local option here. So this is an American diner. It's pretty cool, actually. Pretty good. Anyway, let's crack on with the white sauce. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Keep on trucking. So we're walking around Williams. We've had our breakfast. Pretty chunky breakfast. Oh, they do it. Oh my God, look at this. They've got an old American. Just walking around a little bit to show you. First time we've really properly been to a town that's just not all tourism, although some of it is. Rawhide. Let's have a look at the Coca-Cola truck. Look at that. Flipping heck. Monster Coca-Cola truck. Look at this truck here as well. Wow. It's easy top there. I don't know why the straw bales are all here. It's still very touristy, I guess. It's Route 66, but there's a bit of real America here as well. The diner we had was probably quite realistic. What's he got in the back of here? Oh my God. Jesus. Oh my God, it's got the skin. Look at this. It's got the skin and blood on it already.
Skinned it.
Look at that. Oh. Hunting and shooting and fishing. Well, look at these trucks. Wow, he's been off-road, hasn't he? Right. This truck's amazing though, look at it. Super Duty. Right, let's have a little walk around here. We've seen the Moosehead. Oh, is it a Moosehead? I don't know. We are the tourists abroad, but it's so different. There's a gas station, a big silver tanker. Williams, Arizona. Car on the roof. There we go, so what we're doing, we're going to have a look in here. This is a Western Outfitters, leather goods. So this is a bit of an Americana thing, just a novelty. You don't see this in England. It's a newspaper vending machine. Williams Canyon News. Viking Pride all week long. There's so many Vikings in America that you put your dollar in there, so like 4 quarters, and then you get yourself a newspaper. Hey, back on Route 66, heading towards the Hoover Dam at some point. Big trucks. Big American trucks going by. So we're on Route 66, just seeing a few sights. We're nearly at the Hoover Dam. Been driving quite a while. Well, Scott's been driving quite a while. Eating more American food. Oh, stomach's full. Yeah, good drive past the biker boys. I think they're a bit exhausted from all their motorbiking. This is the last stop before we get back into Las Vegas. We're only about 30 miles from Las Vegas. So we're doing this, and then we've got one more day in Vegas, and then we're home via British Airways because Thomas Cook went bust. But Friday night I'm going to see the Eagles in concert, so that's going to be pretty cool. Who are you going to see? You're going to see someone, aren't you? See someone on Friday?
I can't remember.
Friday night? Are you going to? I can't remember. Santana, is it? Santana. What's amazing about Vegas? There's so much there. There's so many. There's Shania Twain. There's been Rod Stewart there. Aerosmith were there. I wish I could do them all, but me and Mike are going to see the Eagles Friday night, doing the whole of Hotel California plus hits. Can't be bad. Right. Oh, so hang on. We better stop. Okay, I'm going to shut this off now, and we'll have a look when we get to the dam. Security. Hello, security.
Hiya.
Oh.
Yeah, fine.
Oh, hello.
Right on. Do you have any firearms in the vehicle?
No, we're British.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Have you got any firearms in the vehicle,
No, I've
Scott?
not got any firearms.
Blimey. There you go. So, have you got any firearms in the vehicle? That's not a question you ever get asked when you're in England, is it? No. More like, have you got any crisps in the vehicle? Which crisps are in, well, that's chips in America, isn't it? Chips. When we being British, you go and ask for a meal and you go, can I have some chips with that? And they give you crisps on the plate. They call them French fries. Right, anyway, nearly at the dam. We'll have a look when we get there.
Hi. Okay, so let me clue you in on what's going on. It's Thursday. We are very excited. Football season is back. And guess what? Golden Knights season is about to be back. The puck is going to drop for another season starting this Wednesday. Okay, so we've got your chance to go to the Golden Knights home opener this Wednesday in the Fortress. Knights are taking on San Jose. So we've got chances.
This must be all the infrastructure for the dam, all the electrics over there. Because it is about generating electricity and not just tourism. All right. And how far we are to it. Hoover Dam, straight on, isn't it?
Yeah, I think this is where these people are walking over and looking down there.
Oh, right, we're going to stop and see what's there. Oh, okay. Okay, so we're just parked up. It's a bit windy. We're going to go over the Memorial Bridge, which is near the Hoover Dam. I don't think it's actually at the Hoover Dam. There it is. We're going along here. Very busy, windy road. Down here to the bridge then. ponytail's blowing away there, Jeff. It's like...
Hopefully my hair stays on.
Yeah, that's true. Oh. Okay, so we're at the dam now, and I think our friends on the bikes are possibly going over the dam. Can't really see very well on this screen, but... I think they might have parked. Let me just zoom down again. Let's see. I think that we could be our mates on the dam. But yeah, very impressive structure down there. So that's, I didn't understand this when we came here, but you can actually drive over the dam like they're doing. Looks like it's a car park or something up the top there. But this is the Hoover Dam, the world famous Hoover Dam. And behind you can see the water levels right down. So that's the water level there. Assuming in the winter that gets filled up. So this new bridge is where everyone can come and watch it. Look, everyone's on the bridge looking down. So hopefully we might get down there and get a bit closer. I'm not sure what we're going to do. Okay, we've done the bridge. We are hopefully now driving over it in this go-kart over the Hoover Dam. Over the Hoover Dam. Look at this massive electric. Look what we see. Apart from dead insects on the window. So there's the bridge we were up earlier. What was that, Memorial Bridge, wasn't it? It's quite an impressive bridge, isn't it? It looks more impressive down here when you're up there. When you're up there, it just looks concrete, not very exciting. Here we have the Hoover Dam. I think we'll see more when we stop, so I'm going to turn this off now. We'll check it out when we get out. Parking the Mustang. We're going to go over here and have a little look round. Hey? 7 billion kilowatt hours?
The dam provides 7 billion kilowatt hours of energy per year.
Wow, that's a lot, isn't it?
That's a hell of a lot.
Someone's lost their hat down on the Hoover Dam. Not getting that one back. See the staining on the stone, look at it. Arizona time, 3:15. UK time, 11:15 at night. Okay, so walked over the dam. It's behind us. There's lots of bits and pieces around. There's a sort of memorial here. I mean, there's these angel-y things. I don't know what they all are. Probably ought to read the boards or get a guidebook, I think. There's lots of history here. There's about the angel things. Ring figures. So we'll have a look around and see what everything else has got to say.
Arizona Sun has one extra chance of the power plant.
Oh, I've made it inside the Hoover Dam. I think this is the turbine hall. I'm not filming it all, but wow, this is pretty cool. Look at this. Oh. There's our tour guide, he's a bit bonkers. Well, we had a good look around inside, didn't film it all. I'm outside now, and it's pretty cool. We're on the observation deck.
Behind the dam,
Oh, sorry about the voiceover.
Lake Mead, the largest man-made reservoir
So there
in the
you
United
go.
States.
Wow.
It has a storage capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. Enough water to flood the state of Connecticut 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of
So we were up there earlier, now we're down here.
tail race, but in reality that's the Colorado River. This is where the water is drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake and spills through the turbines, flowing on downstream. The water comes out of the turbines at an average temperature.
We have it. Here we have it. That's the Hoover Dam tour done. We're going to head back now to Vegas, dropping the cars off. There's the dam. You can just see it there. And the bridge. So we are going to walk back over the dam, pick the cars up, and then back to Vegas. Vegas, baby! Alright, just coming into Vegas.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 23 for Interstate 215 West.
Exit 23. And we're heading over to Vegas, and our hotel is over there. I can see it, the pyramid. That's where we're staying. Right, into Vegas. Okay, so this is our hotel, the Luxor Hotel. Very weird. It's a pyramid shape. I haven't looked at the outside much yet, but the inside is vast. Look at this. And there's a lot more going on downstairs, which I'll look at another time, but it's all weird. And hopefully going to go and see bodies and the Titanic exhibition tomorrow. In the meantime, I'm just going to go for Chinese. This place is massive. Ooh. Luxor Hotel. So we're about to head out on the strip, but I just thought I'd have a quick look at the place. It's not sure actually where the exit is. There we go. We're going out there. All out the front of the Luxor Hotel. Everybody out. Look at this cannabis superstore I can see. Oh my god. Look at this cannabis superstore. And now we're out. We are out into Metropolis, where everything's a bit crazy. Because if we turn around, not only is this crazy land, but look, there's a flipping huge Sphinx there, which you can see from the front. Maybe I'll have a look in daytime. But it's like Disneyland on acid for grown-ups. There's no Mickey Mouse here, but it's like, it is bonkers. Well, cannabis superstore. Alright, I'm turning it off now. There we go, we're off out. The Luxor Hotel, that was a little tour. Downtown Vegas. Okay, so I'm outside the, I think it's Bellagio Hotel. About to have their fountain show. Not sure exactly when it's going to start. Look around me at the lights though. I've been trying to film a little bit of the lights, but it just don't work. My hair's gone weird. Look at this. I've got booth on hair. Don't know why. I saw a picture earlier and it looks like a massive forehead. All my hair's sticking up on it. I'm like Billy Idol. I know it doesn't stick up this much normally. So anyway, we're going to wait for the fountain. It's going to start, but in the meantime, look at the neon. Oh, it's lovely here. Right, let's start waiting for the fountain. The end. Okay, so it's the end of my week in Vegas. I haven't managed to capture everything that I've seen here. I mean, because I didn't really plan to vlog it all, but I've just uploaded a few bits. I'm now in a Las Vegas gift shop, which is apparently it's the biggest gift shop in the world. So there you go, some quality merchandise like this. Grandad, Grandpa even. But it's been a great experience in America. Quite a few observations. Toilets are a bit annoying, they have loads of water in them. Food, they don't seem to do a lot of vegetables. The people are really polite actually. I've really enjoyed chatting to the American people. What other observations? The money, a bit annoying. Lots of green notes. And the thing is, they're really funny, they don't fit in your wallet very long. And they spend a service charge on everything and tips. So, sorry, well, service charge in the restaurant, but also there's tax on everything. So you get tax in the on top of every price, so it's not actually obvious what anything costs. Fridge magnets, I got one of those. But generally a fantastic time in Vegas and going out into the countryside. I thought actually as a vlogger, do you know what, I'd love to come back here and just go around America. I mean, I think that's a bit of a dream, but I would love to do a farm tour of America vlogging because it'd just be so interesting. The difficulty I have with this sort of video is I was with friends. It wasn't about vlogging, it was about just going out with mates, so I didn't spend all my time recording stuff, and a lot of stuff you won't see on camera because I spent my time just out with the guys really. So I could have easily just loved to stop somewhere and just spend hours, but also great place to be a photographer I think, because there's some amazing landscapes and just amazing things, just little piece of Americana as you drive through a little town. You see a car parked or something. So yeah, in a dream world, I'd like to come back one day and do the Funky Farmer tours America, maybe via farms or something like that. In the meantime, from Vegas, goodbye.